In this video, we are going to be learning a really simple way to paint some filler flowers. These filler flowers include forget. If you're following along in this series, we do already have a paper that we are trying to fill with a bunch of really simple flowers. Otherwise, you can always grab a new sheet of watercolor paper. I will also be using a size 4 round brush, and I may be using my size 6 pointed round brush. I also have some paint. I have dark purple and I mixed some light purple. I have my water and I am ready to get started. Since lavender is a little bit taller, I'm going to start out with my lavender, and I'm actually going to use my light purple. So I just wet my brush, got my white purple. I'm just going to start right on this side, and I'm just going to do a couple of dabs with my brush. I'm going to press down a little bit harder as I get near the bottom of this little tower I'm making. That way it looks more like lavender to me. I'll get some more light purple. I think I'm going to put one right here. And the point of these filler flowers is to do just that, where we are filling our paper now, trying to get most of the white spots all covered up. Next, I'm going to take my smaller size 4 round brush, and I'm going to do the forget-me-nots. And this is just a really simple way. It's a little bit abstract than what forget-me-nots actually look like, but I like taking my brush and I'm just going to do a couple of squiggles, working my way around that imaginary point in the middle. Whenever I do these filler flowers, I like to do a larger size, and then right next to it go a little bit smaller, and then beside that one do a really tiny one. So I like to work in at least 2, but usually 3s. And I'll do some right here. Do a third one. And you can keep going as you see fit. Once you're all done with these, I'm just going to do it now, but I like to go back to that brown color we were using earlier, or any color really, and add those little stems or seeds in the middle. I'm going to continue on filling my paper. I'll check back in. All right, and we are done. And I'm sure you saw, but I was running out of ideas for some spaces. So I just went ahead and just started making some little like dots of paint or more leaves. And you can definitely do that. It's your art. Fill it how you please. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and like and subscribe and follow along for more as we finish this series up. All we have left is some highlights and then the outlining, just like we did with the carnations, and then we're done. This has been so fun. Please let me know what you think. Thank you.